Dear learners, welcome to today's online class. This is Nishit Joddar in front of you. Today I am going to conduct a new topics for you. That's mean today I am going to conduct the basic grammar of your daily necessities. What you feel in your daily life that can be learned for you. Okay, dear learners, let's go. It's a beautiful. The flower looks very nice. This is not a correct sentence. Flower looks very nice. It's a totally correct sentence. It's not a sentence. It's a sentence. In two sentences, you find a correct sentence or complete sentence or not sentence. But you can find here a complete sentence or correct sentence. Our today's topic is sentence, basic part of basic grammar. আমরা কথা বলতে সবাই পারি, কিন্তু কথাটা কিভাবে সঠিক করে সুন্দর করে বলা যায় এটা সবাই পারি না। আর সেই জন্যই আমরা আজকে বেসিক পার্টটা একটু শেষ করব। ঠিক আছে, dear learners, let's go. Learning outcomes after the studies this lesson, we will be able to identify the definition of sentences, identify the grammar basics, identify the kinds of sentences, rearrange the jump word to make sentence. After completing these topics, we can able to learn these things. What is sentence? The dog is a faithful animal. There is a group of words and it expresses a complete sense. Or there is a group of words which express a complete sense or which express a meaningful sense. That is called sentence. So a sentence is a group of words expressing a complete sense or meaning. Or sentence is a group of words which express a meaningful sense. That is called sentences. I think it's the basic part of you. So all of you can understand the matter which I have already said here. Basic grammar. Today I will learn in these topics person. First person, second person, third person. Number, subject, object, possessive form. First person I and we. I object from me, possessive from my. Where possessive subject from we, object from us, possessive from our. Second person singular you and possessive form is our. Plural form you and your. Third person, that's mean he, means a male, him and his. Singular form she, that's mean female, her or her. Singular form, that's mean noun, Rohim. It's a object from Rohim and possessive form is Rohims. They plural from them and their. Singular form book, the book, books. That's the basic form of the word. It's a primary level or first stage in your learning of grammar. Okay, dear learners, let's go. Let's have an excitement. Yeah, a lion is laying on the road. So it's a very excitement. Follow carefully. The buffalo is a very gentle animal. How did the buffalo hit the lion? The lion was defeated and went away. What an interesting attack it was. It was an exciting hit what we enjoyed. You can find here all those sentences. Here also express a expression which we are always habited to express in our daily life. That's mean in the utterance you can find someone is cautionaries, someone is excitement, someone is other types of expression. All those things are expressed in those utterance. It's a one person emotion, person feelings, or person excitement. That's are always expressed in your daily life, and those are called a sentence. What you have observed within the sentence? Yeah, it's a kind of sentence, dear learners. Let's go. At a glance, sentences are divided into two kinds. Sentence according to meaning, sentence according to structure. Okay, একটা মিনিং অনুসারে একটা আর গঠন অনুসারে একটা, তাই না? চলো যাই আমরা পরেরটা শিখে একটু। Identify the name of the sentence. Orange is a nutritious food. Who does not like orange? Let us buy an orange. May the orange be tasty. How fine the orange is. You can find here various of expression. So first one is assertive, second one is interrogative, third one is imperative, fourth one is optative, and last one is exclamatory sentence. Assertive sentence is a sentence that contains a description. It is called almost a descriptive type of sentence. It's totally express a descriptive sentence. It may be positive or negative. Assertive sentence হচ্ছে একটা বর্ণনামূলক বাক্য। এটা হ্যাবোধক হতে পারে, নাবোধক হতে পারে। যদি বলে আমি স্কুলে যাই, আমি কলেজে যাই, তাই না? আমি কলেজে যাই না বা আমি স্কুলে যাই না, দুটাই কিন্তু অ্যাসেপ্ট সেন্টেন্স। ইন্টারোগেটিভ বাক্যটা কী বলেছে? যে বাক্য দ্বারা কোনো কিছু জিজ্ঞাসা করা হবে, জানতে চাওয়া হয়, তাই কী বলি? ইন্টারোগেটিভ সেন্টেন্স। এটা অক্সিলারি ভার্ব দিয়ে শুরু হয় এবং ডাবলএস কোশ্চেন দিয়ে শুরু হয়। আর ইম্পারেটিভ সেন্টেন্সটা কী বলেছি? আদেশ, উপদেশ, অনুরোধগুলো বোঝায়। অর্থাৎ যে বাক্যগুলো ভার্ব ফর্ম দিয়ে শুরু হয়, ডন্ট, প্লিজ, কাইন্ডলি বা লেট দিয়ে শুরু হয়, লাস্টে ফুল স্টপ থাকে, সেই বাক্যগুলো কি সেন্টেন্স? ইম্পারেটিভ সেন্টেন্স। আপনি বলেছি মে বা লিভ লং দিয়ে যে বাক্যগুলো শুরু হয়, তাকে কী বলেছি আমরা? অপটিভ সেন্টেন্স বলেছি। Hey dear learners, I think all of you can guess the matter of what I am going to discuss in the class. How fine the orange is. অর্থাৎ যে বাক্য দ্বারা হর্ষ, বিষাদ, আনন্দ বোঝায়, তাকে আমরা এক্সক্লেমেটিভ সেন্টেন্সটা বলি। ওকে ডিয়ার লার্নার্স, লেটস গো। According to the sentence, according to meaning, sentences are divided into 5 kinds. That's assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, and last one is exclamatory. The flower looks very nice. Though the flowers looks nice, it's no smell. It is beautiful flower and people like it. Yeah. Second one is the flower looks very nice. It's a simple sentence. Though the flowers look nice, it's no smell. It's a complex sentence. It's a beautiful flower and people like it. It's a compound sentence. First instance, we also describe the according to the meaning of the sentence. What is type of sentence according to the meaning of sentence. And second stage or second segment is what is the sentence or what types of sentence according to the structure of sentence. Yeah, according to the structure of sentence, sentence are 3 type: simple, complex, compound. আমি একটু বলে দিয়েছি যে অর্থ অনুসারে 5 প্রকার আর গঠন অনুসারে 3 প্রকার। এটা সিম্পল, কমপ্লেক্স, কম্পাউন্ড। ওকে ডিয়ার লার্নার্স, লেটস গো। Don't hate the poor. Name of the following sentence according to the meaning and structure. We should help them if possible. They are also human beings and they have got all the rights. May Allah grace them. How pathetic it is to hate them. We don't do. At that time of election, we go to them to beg their votes. You have to find out here what types of sentence are using where it may be according to the meaning or according to the structure. এই বাক্যগুলো তো খুঁজে তুমি বের করবে কোনটা মিনিং অনুসারে, কোনটা স্ট্রাকচার অনুসারে, তাই না? Thank you all. Thank you everybody. Thank you dear learners. If you don't understand the material, will be asked me on your text, on your message. I will try to discuss in details in your next class. Okay, dear learners, thank you everybody, thank you everyone. Stay at home and stay be safe. Thank you, dear learners.